if you want to go from this to this, keep watching and watch this video till the end. What's up, fam? How you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nero and I post skincare tips on how to get a healthy, glowing and beautiful skin. So subscribe if that's what you want to see, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications. If not, you won't be able to see any of my videos. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a repair glow oil. Guys, this recipe is a bomb. You will definitely come back to give testimony after using this. This is going to be a promising recipe, but it's safe promising. The ingredients here, they are safe. You don't have to be scared. This glow oil will repair your skin if your skin is damaged, to provide your skin with the nourishment that it needs to become healthy. It will give you that glow, to give your skin that glow. Hello guys, quick intermission. So if you have any question, ask me in the comment section below, or you can ask me on my Instagram if you want to be more private. My Instagram handle will be on the screen. Okay, don't forget to ask me questions. I really like answering your questions. Guys, let's get on with the recipe. Number one is our base oil. Make sure you have a sheet of paper and a pen with you so you can write down, so you don't forget the recipes. I always have a note whereby I write all new recipes that I come across. Okay, I have a skincare book where I write everything, even the ones I formulate myself. So make sure you have a sheet of paper so you don't forget this recipe. I'll be putting the pictures of these products on the screen so you can know what they look like when you want to buy them, and also I'll be explaining the benefits of these products to you. You can also do your own research. These ingredients, they are packed. So our base oil is going to be jojoba oil, or as is known commonly, jojoba oil, but jojoba oil is the correct pronunciation. And our base oil is going to be 30 ml. Every glow oil needs to have a base oil. That base oil is going to be the base on which you build and add all the other properties and ingredients. So, and the base oil is supposed to be more. The quantity of the base oil is supposed to be more than any other thing that you are going to add inside that oil. Jojoba oil is very good for the skin. It glows the skin and it's very moisturizing. You can do your own research, more research on it on Google. Jojoba oil also repairs the skin. The downside is that it's not really a downside per se, but it's quite expensive. Okay, so if you are not able to find it, or you feel like it's too expensive, although I would suggest that you go for it, but if it is too much, then you can replace it with sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is a lightweight oil, so it offers easy penetration to the skin, and sunflower oil is cheap, so you can go for sunflower oil if you cannot afford jojoba oil. So the next oil on our list is turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is a great skin repair oil. Repairs damaged and bleached skin, brings it back to life. Turmeric oil is also good for hyperpigmentation because it lightens. Turmeric oil also glows the skin, but the only issue I have with turmeric oil is that it can stain you if you use too much. Okay, but don't worry, with the quantity that is put in this recipe is not going to stain you. So we're going to be needing 15 ml of turmeric oil. So jojoba oil 30 ml and turmeric oil 15 ml. So if you are feeling this video so far, you are feeling it in your body, it's giving you what you want, please like the video. Let me tell you what will happen when you like the video. When you like the video, it will signal YouTube and tell YouTube that you enjoy these types of video, and then YouTube will keep recommending these types of videos for you. So please drop a like. It helps you and it also helps me to put with the okay. At the end of this video, I'm going to list out the recipe and the measurements on the screen. The next oil on our list is the Veet Gold Spot Corrector oil. This oil is amazing. This oil it repairs the skin, it clears off your dark spots or hyperpigmentation. Okay, this is a very nice repair oil that will glow. Even on its own, without mixing it, it works. It glows the skin. Okay, So it's quite pricey. Last I heard of it, it was about 5,000 something. But if you go to organic sellers, there are some that sell in measurements like 50 mil, 100 mil, and the rest. So if you can get from there, fine. So we're going to be needing 20 mil of Veet Gold dark spot corrector oil. That's a mouthful. It has different variants. It has the cinnamon, it has the lemon. Anyone wants, just pick and use. They're great. So we're going to be needing 20 ml of Veet Gold dark spot corrector oil. The next oil we're going to be needing is the beauty series oil. Beauty series oil is a glowing oil. This product is very wonderful. It won't harm your skin, so you don't have to be afraid of it. It won't give you any skin reaction or green veins or stretch marks. No, this oil doesn't. This oil is a glowing oil. It will just glow your skin, beautify and unify your skin tone. Okay, so we'll also be needing 20 ml of beauty series oil. So these two products that I mentioned, the Veet Gold dark spot corrector oil and the beauty series oil, these oils contains concentrates that are great for glowing skin. The total of this glowing oil is going to be 100 ml. As you can see, I'm not just mixing, pouring anyone. They are in percentages and they have been converted from percentage to mil. Various products I'm using to premix this, they are in proportions. I'm not just turning anything I want to turn. I converted from percentage into mil or gram. So when you want to premix, you don't just let me put this, let me put that. No. Okay, if you premix right, a right premixing, you get a good result. Another good oil that we must not miss in this recipe is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is a great antioxidant. Also, vitamin E oil is going to help the other oils in this recipe to not go bad on time. It's going to help keep them stable and help them not to go rancid. Okay, apart from that, vitamin E oil is also great for skin repair. It's also like a treatment oil. You don't miss vitamin E oil in this. You can get vitamin E oil from your organic skincare ingredient sellers. So you need 10 ml of vitamin E oil, and then you'll be needing 5 ml of propylene glycol. Propylene glycol is a penetrator. It helps all the ingredients to be able to penetrate into the deeper layers of your skin, so they don't just sit at the top of your skin and just like waste away. Okay, to help to transport the nutrients from the products into your skin, so they can actually do the work that you want them to do. And then last on our list, we have few drops of essential oil. You can use like 5 drops of lavender oil. You can use tea tree oil, or if you have different essential oil, you can like mix some of them together and just put some drops. But this is optional, and if you don't have essential oil, that's fine, just skip this step. But make sure that you do not use more than 1% of essential oils of this formulation. Okay, essential oils need to be used not more than 1%. The usage percentage rate of essential oils is between 0.5 to 1%. So let me recap the ingredients for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at my formulation book here. Right, sorry guys, I know you can't see it because it's dark. Okay, now, so jojoba oil 30 ml. Then next is 15 ml of turmeric oil. Then the next is 20 ml of Veet Gold dark spot corrector oil. The fourth oil is 20 ml of beauty series oil. Fifth is vitamin E oil 10 ml. Then we have 5 ml of propylene glycol for penetration. The last ingredients we have here is drops of essential oil. So like you can pick 5 drops of any essential oil you have, maybe lavender oil or tea tree oil. I prefer tea tree oil, but it's up to you. Or you can even add different oils together. Just don't let it exceed 1%. Okay. If you have made it to the end of this, if you are made to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. God bless you. So please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of these types of video from me. Also also share the video to someone that is in need of it, and please watch my next video coming up either here or here, somewhere along the line. Okay, thank you so much. See you later. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.